I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. I'm here with Greg today. We're going to show you how to install a DWB 2110-78. It's the upper door seal that goes on the door shell itself. Greg, what's the fit?
Fits a 73 to 79 Ford truck. It also fits a 78 and 79 Gen 2 Bronco. We'll be installing the part on this 79 Ford truck.
Let's get started.
The installation of our DWB 2110-78, which is the upper door seal that does go on the door shell. It was not available in all models, and it did not come on this truck. You can add it to yours to prevent wind noise and weather intrusion. If your truck did come with the upper seal installed on the door shell, you want to use the chisel stick to remove all the old material. And then you want to use an adhesive remover to clean that surface. Our area of concentration, on the backside B pillar, there's a tab here that holds in the lock cylinder. And on the front side, the A pillar, our seal will end at this contour on the A pillar. We would like to show you the orientation of how this seal installs onto the door. We aren't going to start on the top, but this is just to show orientation. This flat surface attaches itself to the door shell. This thinner side will go towards this flange, and this bulb area will actually face towards the cab of the truck. So it will lay in a manner like this. This is held in place with Weatherstrip adhesive that we will apply to the door shell and also to the bottom section of this seal. It is a contact adhesive. We'll put the two together and put it in place. Again, to this lower side, the flat surface, we are going to apply our Weatherstrip adhesive. I'm just using an acid brush so I can get a nice uniform wide layer onto the part. All right, we're going to apply the adhesive to the door shell. I am going to do just about a brush width. If I do get any ooze out, I can clean it up with our adhesive remover. The installation of the seal onto the door shell, again, the orientation, this is the area that has the adhesive. We're going to apply that just above this tab for this locking cylinder. Pressing against the flange of the door shell. We're just going to press it into place, the contact adhesive. Now I caution you on installing this onto the door shell. This is a flexible material. It is prone to stretching. So what I'm doing installing it is I'm just pressing straight down maybe even a little bit back on itself. I don't want to do too much. I just want to press it into place. Okay, now pressing this into place. Make sure you're putting firm pressure straight down towards the door shell. Any adhesive that is coming out, what we can do is just use our remover, adhesive remover, to clean that up. Cleaning up the extra adhesive that might have oozed out with our adhesive cleaner. This completes the installation of our upper door seal, DWB 211078. Thanks for watching.